Sometimes we laugh and sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now, baby. I took a half and she took the whole thing. Slow down.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So this is going to be another wig install video. So what you see me doing first is taking off my old wig. I only had it on for 2 days, but I like to switch my hair up. So next I like to do the ball cap method, and some people don't do it, but I like to do it because it protects my edges. So first I cut out the ear tabs, and then I put glue along my hairline. But you want to do it in front of your hairline, not on top of your hair, or your edge is gonna come out. So then you want to go ahead and smooth that on out and then blow dry it on high. So next, for the ball cap method, you want to cut along the glue once it turns clear, and then you want to add makeup that matches your skin tone. After putting on your makeup, you want to go in with some rubbing alcohol just to get the makeup off your skin so your adhesive can stick better. So now I'm going to cut out my ear tabs on both sides. To make gluing the wig down easier, I like to cut my lace into 3 tabs just so I can glue it down 1 tab at a time instead of the whole thing. So usually when I glue down a wig, I use 3 layers, but I only did 1 this time because I knew I was going to switch my hair up pretty soon. One tip to make sure your install is flawless is to make sure you smear the glue out super thin, like you don't want it clumpy at all. Also, by doing that, it helps the glue dry down a lot faster too. So I always start by sticking down that middle tab first, and then I'll stick down the 2 sides. Then I just take a rat tail comb and I push the lace down into the glue even further after using my fingers. So this is the most important part, I feel, like I said in my last wig install video. So when you're cutting the lace, you want to make sure you're cutting right up against the glue, and you want to cut in zigzag motions. So next I'm going to use the even lace spray, and I'm going to spray the whole entire hairline, and I'm going to use the end of a rat tail comb to stick it down. So normally after I use my lace tint, I won't need to put makeup, but I think I didn't put enough lace tint this time, so I'm just adding a little bit of makeup to my hairline. So before I do my baby hairs, I like to map out where I want my part to be, just so I know where I want my baby hairs to be. So when I do a side part, my baby hairs are different than when I would do a middle part. So after taking out my baby hairs, I'm going to use an elastic band just to melt down my lace. And I like to use the thin ones because I feel like they give more of a melt. Now you'll see me section out my hair and hot combing it in sections just so it's not lumpy. Here's the big reveal. So yeah, lace is definitely melted, like I said. Y'all, I've been doing my own wig install since I was in, I think, 10th grade. Yeah, it was 10th grade. And I've been out of high school for like almost 3 years now. So yeah, make sure y'all follow my tips and tricks so y'all lace can be melted too. So anyways, next I'm just going to curl my baby hairs with a pencil flat iron. And then I'm going to use the green Eco Styler gel to slick them down. And I feel like with baby hairs, you can't really be taught how to do baby hairs. You really just got to learn and practice how to do it on your own. It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare. As you guys can see, the video is sped up, but it's like baby hairs take the absolute longest for me to do. I didn't feel like styling my hair, so I just flat ironed it. So after I flat ironed it, that's pretty much the finished look. So this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.